So we're at the toy run for like off-road vehicles and stuff, homies. I know it's been a long time since I made a video, but anyway, check it out. It's a Jeep like mine, but all stock. And then my homie's Jeep over there. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and ride, and I'm gonna take some video as we go. All right, so I los guacho firme, homes. There's the homie with his Jeep. Maybe if you guys remember in the channel a while ago, he was the one that ramped his Jeep on that one hill, you know. But anyway, we're waiting for everybody to get moving. So I los guacho firme, homes. So now we rolling. Apparently they gave homie the radio, so now he's in the back. But yeah, you guys can see like the line of dudes, you know. Apparently it's a pretty easy, moderate trail, I guess, today. So, you know, ain't gonna be getting stuck, hopefully. But you never know. But I don't know. We'll make our own fun, as they say. All right. So, I los guacho, homies. Out here in southern New Mexico. It's a beautiful day. It's 30-some degrees. Gonna give it a squeeze. This is the Ugly Ears Toy Run. So there's actually other groups other than Ugly Ears out here, but it's the name for the face, I suppose, as you would say, you know. Anyway, we're getting all jumbled up and bunched up over here because too many vehicles, only one trail. But so I'm gonna jump on here and show you guys a look around. So let's look around. So there's where they were strip mining that hill right there. And then there's that there's a little mini kind of trail that way. Fun story, I once had a much older, an 87 Jeep. I used to come out here all the time. And then one time I hit one of the obstacles kind of wrong, and I shot the rear axle right out the back. So I ended up having to leave here. Two-wheel drive, front-wheel drive Jeep. Good times, good times. Anyway, let's see if we can get into something a little bit funner, and then I'll get back on the back on here and show you guys. All right, I los guacho firme, homes. And we've come to the first obstacle. Can I get it up like a popsicle? It don't even make sense, but it rhymes, so hey, it's cool. All right. Well, it scraped. It did it! Yay! Alright. That was fun on the bun. Boon on the boon. Alright. So this is a Arroyo, and they were saying it's been washed out recently. Alright, now we have the easy trail or a hard trail, and we're back caught up with the Dodge. So we'll just keep going through the rocks, you know, because so I like my whiskey. Makes me a little frisky. Alright. Rolling, 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 rolling. Rolling, 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 rolling. Rolling, 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 rolling. Fred Durst, don't you be suing me. Alright, well, let's stop while we're here in the boring part. Okay, everybody went the other way, so we're going this way, so hopefully it won't get bound up so much no more. So here we go, getting bumpies. The ragged they come, man, the ragged they grill. I like cheese on my burgers. And homie, he's like, are you gonna air down your tires? I'm like, nah, bro. If I air him down, I have to air him back up. This way, you know, it might be a rough ride, but you know, I don't have to do more work. Because I'm a genius. Alright. Hey, you see, that's where everybody's going. We're going that way. Alright. Let's see here. Good times, good times. For a good cause, Holmes. Oh. That was silly.
Did he go the other way?
No, he's behind us. Think? Yeah, there he is. Because we keep rolling, and then rolling. You know you'll be loving this stuff right here. I got the JEEP right here. Because if you don't care, then we don't care. I don't know why I got all this 90s rock stuck in my head.
Look at that guy. Oh man.
Oh yeah.
He was like tipped right up. He's all whoop.
Bloop, bloop. Alright. Well, that was fun. Alright, we'll be back here in a little bit. Show you some other cool stuff once we get there. Because right now it's kind of just back and forth. Okay. So we got people doing the thing. Check out that Jeep. The door open.
Oh,
now it closed. Now it's open again. Now it closed. Now he's stuck. Hey, you know, that's how it goes out here in the desert.
Look, roll back, bro. Roll back.
He's got it. He's good.
got it.
Maybe he needs to latch his door, but
Oh, there he goes.
God, I hope that you guys can see that. That was pretty fun. And then there's the guy with the pirate flag, you know, because desert pirates.
Desert pirates.
The 7 seas of cheese, Holmes. But
7 seas of cheese.
and then yeah, you know, it's like you know, we're cool with the rock pirates, just no porch pirates, alright, Holmes? Because you get the beat. Alright. Let's see if I don't get stuck over there, because that Jeep looked a lot more capable than mine. But we shall find out. Let's see if the Dodge makes it, you know, because he's a dodgy bastard. It's like a hole right there.
Yeah.
Actually, I think this is where I broke my old Jeep. I think memory's coming back. It's been a long time, but
It's all nah.
long time and many years ago.
Ooh, get it, boy. Get it, boy. Yeah.
Look at that
Flex
flexing.
it. Oh, yeah.
Like a rotato chip. Alright. Yep, this is where I killed my last Jeep. I got that thing all wrong, and the rear axle dropped down too far, and the drive shaft just shot right out. Oh man, it's all washed out. Alright. Let's see here. Alright.
Oh, that did not sound good. That does not.
Okay. Alright, you guys are gonna come with me. We're gonna look at this. The sky! It looks like mine, but stuck. All right. Okay, so all right, so good so far. It's not as spooky as it looks. I think if I just straighten out, I should be able to get right over it, but we shall see. It's pretty flexed out. I'm just checking it out real quick right now. I think if I just go that way, I should make it.
Yeah.
All right. Well, gonna jump back in this way. All right. All right, here we go. Onwards and upwards.
My man.
Oh,
Thank you.
I reconquered the unconquered that I conquered once before. Oh, getting old and fat, it's not fun. I don't suggest either. All right.
Shaking me up.
All right. Well, we're gonna stop for a minute and then we'll see what we can see. All right. Let's watch it, homies. Be easy, man. Okay. Here we go. Another little itty bitty clippity with another itty bitty little clippities. So the idea is to aim at the hardest part. Just to say you did it. Ah. Alright. So then there is the right path or the left path. The left path looks a little funner, so I think we'll go that way. Hey look, we're actually going at speed finally. All at 10 miles an hour. Oh, and if you guys really like off-roading stuff, you know, I don't obviously do this very often, but you guys should check out the Homies channel page. I was gonna say page. Yeah, no, the Homies channel. It's JL Life on the YouTubes. He's got a JL like mine. He used to have one nicer than mine, but then he traded in for I think it was a Dodge, a diesel. But you know. He's also got a or J10, I mean. I always going to call it a C10, I don't know why. But it's pretty nice.
Oh, did we catch up with the other guys? We did.
Yeah, they're over there. Alright, let's see here. Getting climbing right here. But anyway, yeah, you guys should check out his channel for sure. It's Model. It's pretty cool. It's pretty feed me homes.
He's just gonna go right past you. He's like, come on.
I don't know how much of that you guys caught because the phone fell off the mount. Too much murder. Here we go. Alright. Shake it like a salt shaker. Rolling hard. Or hardly rolling.
Oh shit. That's so good you didn't roll into that. Oh fuck.
It was a crevasse. Alright. But that's where we're going up there, alright? So if there's any other fun funds, we'll stop and film that too. Alright, I was watching Pyramid Home.